if you've seen any of my other videos, you probably know now that I am obsessed with these Bogg bags. I originally thought that these were ugly and too expensive for what they were offering, but now I know better because these are genius, especially for busy moms like me. I actually purchased 2 of them. I have the medium size here in this super cute pink with a cell phone accessory, and then I got the large one over here with the cell phone accessory, a baseball emblem, and the cup holder. Now, honestly, the cup holder was probably the biggest reason why I purchased this bag. I found myself constantly trying to find places to put all of these kids' drinks, and this was actually the perfect solution. I saw this at a store one day, and I was just so amazed at what a genius invention, especially for busy moms. Inside of the Bogg bag, it actually fits so much stuff. I put all of my daily necessities inside, including a purse, a water bottle, even a lunchbox, and I could even fit even more. Now, this bag right here, I take with me when I'm taking everyone in the family on things like baseball games and beach days and just basic outings. And this has actually turned into my everyday carry. I usually put my purse in here as well as my cell phone in the cell phone accessory that I purchased. It's so nice being able to have my cell phone easily accessible like that because I'm always trying to find it really quickly. And this is such a genius thing to have it put on the side. You can also put the cell phone facing inside of the bag if you prefer. There's also a lot of really great storage solutions on the inside, like this zipper pouch and even more. Another thing that I really love is how big these straps are. It's so easy to carry this bag. I'm just so grateful for Bogg Bag to develop such a great product for busy moms like me. Well, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and check out my Amazon storefront where I feature these items. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.